Hello everyone! We haven't talked about how to survive a zombie apocalypse in a long time. So, today we are going to tell you 7 basic rules that we've learned in different video games. Let's begin! First and foremost, weapons. Anything can be a weapon if you're brave enough. In the video game Left 4 Dead 2, you can fight the Walking Dead using pans, electric guitars, and golf clubs. Second, aim for the head. In any zombie video game, a headshot gives you extra point. Zombies don't feel pain and their only working organ is the brain, so you should shut it off. In the game Resident Evil 2, a body shot only slows down your enemy, but in the game Dead Rising, it can kill it. Nevertheless, the best option is aiming for the head. Third, go up. Zombies are pretty dumb. When they see a human, they start walking right towards them, hitting other zombies in their way and getting stuck in different places. So, having the high ground is always an advantage. Fourth, don't make any loud noises. Zombies are good listeners and they are attracted to loud noises. In video games, this is shown differently. In the game Left 4 Dead, zombies aren't interested in explosions or gunshots, but they are attracted to car alarms and the noise from a fuel pump. In the game The Last of Us, the zombie's ability to hear noises plays an important role. You can walk near a zombie only if you don't make a single noise. Fifth, kill your darlings. If your friends are bitten and you let them turn into zombies, you are risking your own life. Sooner or later, you will have to get rid of them, so better do it right away. Sixth, looting is okay. Looking for useful objects is an important part of any game about zombies. No one would care if you take anything, because all people probably left or have been turned into brain-eating zombies, and they're coming for you. Seventh, humans are more dangerous than zombies. Zombies don't pretend to be your friends and then stab you in the back. That's something only humans can do. As we have seen in many games, it's best to stay away from people. In the game The Last of Us, for example, almost everyone are nasty bastards willing to kill you and steal your things. So friends, tell us in the comments what else you learned from playing zombie video games. The best stories will be featured in the next episode. And check our 10-minute compilation on how to survive a zombie apocalypse. You'll find the link in the description or right here on your screen. See you soon, bye!